For some people, wine is simply another alcoholic drink. But for those who truly appreciate it, every swirl inside a crystal glass tells a story centuries in the making. Behind its rich aroma and elegant color lies one of the world's most fascinating agricultural journeys. But have you ever wondered how millions of tons of wine are produced every single year without losing the character that makes every bottle unique? The answer begins beneath endless rows of lush vineyards, where heavy clusters of perfectly ripened grapes wait for the precise moment to be harvested. From there, their paths divide. Some grapes are gently transformed into naturally sweet raisins, preserving the warmth of the sun in every bite. Others embark on a far more extraordinary journey, becoming luxurious wines crafted through a remarkable blend of nature, human expertise, and generations of winemaking tradition. Today, Machines Visit takes you behind the scenes of an industry where every harvest is a race against time, and every bottle carries the fingerprint of the land where it was born. Stay with us as we uncover why wine has been celebrated for thousands of years as the legendary nectar of the gods. As autumn arrives, cool breezes sweep across endless vineyards, while golden sunlight illuminates thousands of ripe grape clusters hanging beneath vibrant green vines. This breathtaking scene signals one of the most important moments of the entire year, the grape harvest. For vineyards supplying large-scale wineries or raisin manufacturers, speed and efficiency are essential. That's why mechanical harvesting has become the preferred solution, dramatically increasing productivity while reducing labor costs. Rather than violently stripping fruit from the vines, these machines rely on gentle vibration systems guided by advanced sensors. The vines are shaken with just enough force to release only the ripe grape clusters while protecting both the fruit and the plants from unnecessary damage. As the grapes fall, they never hit the ground. Specially designed collection trays immediately catch the fruit, cushioning every cluster before directing it onto conveyor belts that transport the harvest into large collection bins with remarkable care. The efficiency is extraordinary. A single machine can harvest up to 9 tons of grapes every hour, roughly 5 to 10 times more than a team of manual workers could harvest during the same period. Once its storage bins are full, the machine quietly leaves the vineyard, where waiting trucks receive the freshly harvested grapes and begin the next stage of their journey. Yet despite all this technology, many of the world's most prestigious vineyards continue to trust something no machine can fully replace: the human hand. In legendary wine-producing regions such as France, Italy, and Spain, premium wine grapes and high-hand harvesting demands patience, experience, and extraordinary attention to detail. Moving slowly through each vineyard row, workers use specialized pruning shears to cut individual grape clusters before gently placing them into padded baskets that protect the delicate fruit from bruising. Although this traditional method requires far more time and labor, the reward is exceptional quality. Every grape maintains its perfect shape, vibrant color, and delicate flavor, qualities essential for producing world-class wines and premium fresh fruit. But harvesting is only the beginning. Once the season comes to an end, these grapes begin 2 completely different journeys. While many continue toward wineries, another portion of the harvest is destined to become one of nature's sweetest creations: raisins. Here, something remarkable happens. Instead of relying on complex machinery, producers allow nature itself to perform the transformation. In major raisin-producing regions such as California, Turkey, and Iran, grapes are carefully spread across drying trays, concrete surfaces, or specially prepared racks beneath the open sky. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, sunlight and dry air slowly remove their moisture. As water gradually disappears, the grapes shrink in size while their natural sugars become increasingly concentrated, creating the rich sweetness and chewy texture that raisins are famous for. Some growers use an even more unusual technique. Rather than harvesting immediately, they leave the grapes hanging on the vine to dry naturally before picking them. This slower process creates raisins with a darker appearance, deeper flavor, and a more concentrated sweetness. Only after the moisture content falls to approximately 15 to 18%, the commercial standard for premium raisins, are the fruit collected and transported to modern processing facilities. Never underestimate a raisin. It may look tiny, but every piece contains the concentrated flavor of an entire grape, intensified by weeks of sunshine, patience, and careful preparation. Once the raisins arrive at the processing plant, the first stage focuses on preliminary cleaning. Large vibrating screens combined with powerful suction systems remove leaves, stems, dust, and other field debris before the fruit continues to more advanced processing. This initial cleaning creates the foundation for the strict quality standards that follow. Next, the raisins enter a high-pressure washing system where carefully controlled water jets remove remaining dirt, dust, and surface contaminants while preserving the fruit itself. Capable of processing up to 10 tons every hour, these advanced cleaning systems ensure the raisins meet the hygiene and quality standards required for consumers around the world. This advanced cleaning system delivers exceptional speed and efficiency while preserving the raisin's soft texture and naturally rich flavor. Once thoroughly cleaned, the raisins move to an intelligent optical sorting line, where cutting-edge infrared scanners inspect every single piece. The system instantly identifies raisins that are damaged, misshapen, or fall outside the required standards for size and color, removing them with remarkable precision. Yet even the most advanced technology isn't trusted with the final decision. To guarantee premium quality, experienced inspectors perform one last manual examination. With trained eyes and years of expertise, they carefully inspect the raisins one by one, ensuring that only the finest fruit continues to the final stage. Once approved, the raisins enter the automated packaging line, where they are sealed inside high-quality protective packaging. Each retail pack typically contains around 250 grams, an ideal serving size for this naturally sweet and nutritious snack. Operating at impressive speed, the automated system can package nearly 3,000 packs every hour, allowing fresh products to reach consumers across the globe quickly and efficiently. But the story of grapes doesn't end with raisins. Now it's time to return to their original form, fresh, juicy grape clusters, ready to begin an entirely different and far more extraordinary journey. After careful harvesting and multiple quality inspections, the grapes arrive at the packing facility, where experienced workers take over. Unlike many fully automated processes, premium fresh grapes are still packed almost entirely by hand. Every cluster is individually examined before being selected. Workers carefully choose only the freshest, firmest, and most visually perfect bunches, rejecting any grapes that show bruises, blemishes, or signs of damage. The selected clusters are then gently placed into retail boxes or bags weighing approximately 500 grams. This careful handling protects the fruit's natural freshness, vibrant color, and delicate texture while minimizing damage during transportation. Although hand packing requires considerably more time and effort, the result is well worth it. Every carefully packed bunch reaches consumers with its flavor, appearance, and nutritional value beautifully preserved. And now we arrive at the moment many people have been waiting for. This is where ordinary grapes leave behind their familiar identity and begin an extraordinary transformation into one of history's most celebrated beverages: wine. From timeless classics aged for generations to refined modern vintages, the remarkable secrets of winemaking are finally about to unfold. The journey begins as trucks loaded with freshly harvested grapes arrive at the winery. Their cargo is unloaded into enormous stainless steel receiving hoppers before moving on to sophisticated conveyor systems designed to transport the fruit quickly while protecting every grape from unnecessary damage. One detail surprises almost everyone. The grapes are never washed. Unlike most fruits, wine grapes naturally carry a delicate layer of wild yeast on their skins. This microscopic coating plays a critical role during fermentation by helping convert natural sugars into alcohol. Washing the grapes would remove this valuable yeast and dramatically affect the wine's flavor and fermentation process. Instead of relying on water, wineries depend on careful manual cleaning. Skilled workers remove leaves, stems, damaged berries, and any unwanted material by hand, preserving the grape's natural character while ensuring only the highest quality fruit enters production. After inspection, the grape clusters pass into specialized destemming machines. Using carefully engineered mechanisms, these machines separate the stems from the grapes without crushing or bruising the fruit. The grapes then continue to another advanced inspection stage. Powerful optical sorting systems equipped with high-resolution cameras, specialized lighting, and infrared imaging analyze every individual grape in real time. Any fruit that fails to meet strict quality standards is automatically removed. Capable of processing nearly 20 tons of grapes every hour, these intelligent systems dramatically improve both efficiency and consistency throughout the winery. The selected grapes then enter large crushing machines capable of processing up to 10,000 pounds of fruit every hour. Unlike ordinary crushing equipment, these machines are engineered to press the grapes gently using carefully designed rollers and paddles that avoid breaking the seeds. That detail is more important than it seems. If the seeds are crushed, they release excessive tannins that can create harsh bitterness, disrupting the delicate balance that winemakers work so hard to achieve. Here's a fascinating piece of history. Long before sophisticated machinery existed, grapes were traditionally crushed by foot. Across many historic wine regions, barefoot grape stomping wasn't simply a practical method. It was considered part of the winemaking tradition itself. Human feet applied gentle, even pressure that released juice without damaging the seeds, preserving the wine's elegance while creating a powerful connection between the harvest and the people producing it. Although strict hygiene standards have largely replaced this practice with modern equipment, every glass of wine still carries echoes of those centuries-old traditions. Once crushed, the fresh grape juice flows into enormous fermentation tanks, where science and nature begin working together. Depending on the grape variety, sugar content, and environmental conditions, fermentation generally lasts anywhere from 10 to 30 days. During this remarkable transformation, naturally occurring yeast converts grape sugars into alcohol while simultaneously producing carbon dioxide. As fermentation progresses, the escaping carbon dioxide forces grape skins upward, creating a thick layer floating on the surface known as the fermentation cap. This cap cannot simply be ignored. Winemakers regularly push it back beneath the surface so the wine continues extracting color, aroma, structure, and tannins from the skins while preventing unwanted bacteria or mold from developing. Once fermentation is complete, the young wine still contains grape skins, seeds, and fine particles that must be removed. Using advanced filtration systems and specialized clarification equipment, wineries carefully separate the clear wine from the remaining grape pomace and filtration not only creates the brilliant appearance people expect from quality wine, but also removes compounds that could contribute unwanted bitterness or the clarified wine is then prepared for its next chapter. For premium red wines, that chapter unfolds inside oak barrels. Here, the wine quietly matures for anywhere between 12 months and more than 2 years. This slow aging process allows the wine to absorb delicate aromas from the oak while gradually softening its tannins, creating the smooth texture, complexity, and layered flavors that define. Finally,